Hi, students. This is teacher Chrissy, and today we are going to talk about verbs or vocabulary. Okay, if you can still remember in our Zoom class last week, we talked about different verb phrases, and then I asked you to use the verb phrases in sentences, and then we also answered some of the activities in the book. And in the video that I sent last week, I also talked about can and can't as your ability. And we talked about pop stars. Okay. So that's actually in your book, page 41, if you could still remember. So this one. So we talked about the grammar, can and can't, and then I had you listen to an audio about the pop star audition, and then in our Zoom class we talked about verb phrases in this page, and we answered the activities. You also differentiated the two sentences on letter A. What's the difference between angry and hungry, and so on. All right. And I'm glad you also submitted your homework about the resolution that I asked you to do. And I'm very pleased with the resolutions that you wrote. Okay. I just hope that you're going to do it. Okay. So let's now go on with our new lesson. It's on page 41 of your book, and it says vocabulary, and then we are going to read and use more verb phrases. Okay, now for the verb phrases, we are going to your to page 149 of your book, and we are going to read some of the verb phrases listed on that page. So let's go to page 149. Okay, 149. We're almost there. All right. And then let me just scroll. So this is our verb phrases. Okay. Now we have here a list of verbs and verb phrases. And then we have here some pictures that show the meaning of the words. So we are going to answer this one. Okay. When we say buy a newspaper, buy is a verb, and that means you're getting something, you're paying for something so that you can get the item. So in this case, buy a newspaper. Where do you think is that? Okay, where do you think is that? Buy a newspaper. It's on number 25. So we have here 25. Mark your books. 25. Okay. Number 2, we have call, phone, a taxi. Okay, so you're calling a taxi. Okay, in the US, there are apps where you can book taxis, you can call taxis, and then they're gonna pick you up at your house. Okay, it's like Grab. Okay, if you've used Grab, then you have their different options if you want to book a tuk-tuk, a rickshaw, or a car. So it's the same thing. You can call them, and then they're going to pick you up from your hotel or from your house. So call or phone a taxi. Let's get that. Where do you think is that picture? Call or phone a taxi. Okay, where is that? Can you help me? Okay, it's number 8. Okay, so you're calling or you're phoning a taxi. Number 3, come here. Come here. Where do you think is that? Come here. Come here. All right. We have here number 5. The mommy is calling the baby boy. Come here. Meaning, from far away, you call them to go to where you are standing. So you say, come here. Okay. Number 19, or the fourth word is dance. the tango. Tango is a kind of a dance. Okay, we have different kinds of dances, and tango is one of the ballroom dances. Okay, I'm going to show you a video so that you will be able to picture out what tango is. Okay, YouTube. So tango is a ballroom dance. Okay, and you usually dance it with somebody. So I'm gonna show you a video. I hope YouTube loads now. Okay, it's kind of slow. Tango dance. All right, let's wait for YouTube. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's look at this one. So it's a tango, it's a ballroom. In some countries, they have ballroom competition.
Junior Carmina and Natalia Rocha.
Okay, so that's a tango. Okay. There are other kinds of ballroom dances. We have swing, we have cha-cha. So these are all kinds of ballroom dancing. Okay, let's go back to our picture. Where do you think is dancing tango? So 19, right? This one. Okay, good. And then we have a draw a picture. Draw a picture. Draw. Where do you think is that? Let's look for that. Okay, so draw. This one is a drawing. Okay. This one is not drawing. When you say draw, you usually use a pen. Okay. And a pencil. And then you draw or you sketch. Okay. If you're using a paint, then it's not drawing. It's called painting. Okay. So number 22 is draw a picture. Okay. How about this one? Find some money. Find some money. Where do you think is that? Let's check. Find some money. This one. The guy was able to find a coin, right? Find some money. Okay, next is give someone a present. Number 11. Good. And then hear a noise. Hear a noise. Okay, let's see. We have, okay, so this one, number 3, hear a noise. How about help someone? Okay, this guy is helping the older woman to cross the street. So help someone. And then we have look for your keys. Look for your keys. Let's see where's that? Look for your keys. Mm, okay. Let's see if we can find that. Can you find look for your keys? Okay. So let's leave that first. I'm thinking of number 14, but let's see if there are other verb phrases, okay? So next one is okay. Meet a friend. Meet a friend. So we have here okay. Meet a friend. So number 7, is meet your friend. And then we have paint a picture. So this one, 23. Play chess. Okay, number 21. Ride a bike, 18. Run a race. I found that. I saw that here. Okay, this one, number 1. See a film, number 4. And then 20, of course, sing a song. Swim every day, number 17. Take photos. Where is take photos? Number 16, take photos. Take your umbrella. Take your umbrella. Okay, number 10. Talk to a friend. Number 26. And then tell someone a secret. Number 12. You whisper when you tell someone a secret, right? Travel by plane. Number 24. Turn on, off the TV. Number 15. And then use a computer. Number 27. Wait for a bus. Number 9. And then walk home. So let's see. Let's go back now. So walk home is number 2. So we are right? So we have here meet a friend for number 7. So those are some of the verb phrases. And in our Zoom class, I will be giving you your homework there. So you have to make sure that you attend the Zoom class, because we will be having more activities about verb phrases. I'm going to let you use some of the verb phrases in a sentence, and then I'm also going to give you your homework there. Okay, let's go back to page 41, which is our current lesson. So on page 41, sorry. So page 41 says vocabulary, and we are also going to answer this in our Zoom class. We are going to check if you are physical, creative, or practical. So you will be able to know if you're physical if you're able to um, check everything as yes. And then if it's no, then that means you're not physical. So you can read this and then try to answer in your mind. And then we're going to answer this in our Zoom class. Okay. And then we are also going to fill out or write sentences about grammar use, can and can't. So this is a continuation of our video last week and our Zoom class. More practice will be given in our Zoom class, okay? So make sure you attend, and I'll see you all next week. Bye for now.